So back in the war, we didn't always have a functional microwave. Had an old clunker like this, had to pick up from the scrapyard. But teach you a little secret to get it working, and that secret is half pound of tannerite.
Right, baby.
Louis, what you got to say about tannerite?
That thing is loud, man. All I know is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put that tannerite in the microwave. It's gonna work, cause you know that's survival tip 101.
Yeah, we'll heat it up.
That's what we learned. That's what I learned back in Nam.
Hey, this is where tannerite came from. One day, Adam and Eve were playing, you know, in the garden, whatever. God was like, these people are getting a little bored. We need to give them something to do. So he dropped down tannerite.
On the 8th day, God made tannerite. You heard it here
Yeah,
first.
they
Says
didn't
so
put that in the book for some reason.
No, it's
but-
in Hesitations. Anyway,
Yeah.
basically the gist of the situation is open the microwave, delicately put your tannerite in there. Now we're going to go up to the hill and blow it up. Now it's important to be very careful with your tannerite because it is a high explosive and it could kill absolutely all. Guys, you got to be careful with the freaking tannerite.
No.
So we're going to go up to the hill and shoot it.
My chin chong. Ready position?
Alright, I'm with you.
I said I'm gonna get down.
Oh yeah, we should probably get down. Fire!
You filming?
Yeah, we're good. Oh God.
Up and to the right. Or that was up and to the right. Oh!
Oh my God. Okay, wait. Let me zoom in. Oh my God. That is so cool.
Yeah! It's ready! Alright boys, it's ready.
My man!
That's how you do it.
Yeah!
Oh my God. It's dead. All right, this is what remains of the microwave. This is what we could gather. And as you can see, it still works. Look at this. Look at this. All the buttons are functioning. It's all good. Yep.